the Fort Lauderdale Sheridan Suites on Cypress Creek, and we're going to do a live show. Me and my 3 sons are going to be there helping folks get to where they want to be in real estate, making money.
Yeah.
Friday, September 10th and 11th, benmallow.com/live. Get your tickets or get the room package. If you book a 2-ticket deal through a room package, you get a 2-room suite for free. If 2 people come to the show and you're staying in my hotel, we're going to have a real estate party, man. What else?
Party.
All right, I plugged my show. I plugged my tickets. I'm getting the fuck out of here. What else you want to know? I came from garbage for nothing. All right, very dysfunctional family. If anybody out there ever been to New York, okay, I came from the projects in Far Rockaway. All right, 540 Beach 43rd Street. All right, where you took your life in your hands when you were a kid, even coming down the street. And if the people didn't get you, we had wild dogs in the neighborhood would chase your ass down the street. I mean, it was a really depressing place.